As you leave North Cross, you will be vectored for a left-hand pattern to intercept the localizer for runway 23.
Golf India Kilo North Cross, flight level 40, heading 180.
Golf India Kilo, descend to altitude 2,500 feet, QNH 1008.
Descend to altitude 2,500 feet, QNH 1008, Golf India Kilo.
Golf India Kilo, position 3 miles northwest of Georgetown.
Golf India Kilo.
Golf India Kilo, turn left heading 0 forward 5, downwind for runway 23, position 6 miles south of Georgetown.
Left heading 0 forward 5, Golf India Kilo.
Golf India Kilo, what are your intentions?
Go around from ILS, practice engine failure, then divert to Stephenville at flight level 50, Golf India Kilo.
Golf India Kilo, roger. Golf India Kilo, descend to altitude 2,000 feet, QNH 1008, 5 miles downwind. We'll be turning you left on base leg in 4 miles.
Descend to altitude 2,000 feet, QNH 1008, Golf India Kilo. Maintaining 2,000 feet, QNH 1008, Golf India Kilo.
Golf India Kilo, roger. Turn left heading 320 base leg, 11 miles east of Georgetown.
Left heading 320, Golf India Kilo.
Golf India Kilo, turn left 275 to intercept localizer from the left. Report established.
Turn left 275, Wilco, Golf India Kilo. Golf India Kilo, localizer established.
Golf India Kilo, descend on the ILS QNH 1008.
QNH 1008, Wilco, Golf India Kilo.
Golf India Kilo, 4 miles to touchdown, contact tower 123.8.
Tower 123.8, Golf India Kilo. Georgetown Tower, Golf Echo Golf India Kilo, 3.5 miles, runway 23.
Golf India Kilo, Georgetown Tower, call going around, surface wind 24510 knots.
Wilco, Golf India Kilo. Going around, Golf India Kilo.
Golf India Kilo, climb on runway heading to 2,000 feet, then turn right onto 355 and climb to 3,000 feet.
Runway heading to 2,000 feet, then right onto 355 and climb to 3,000 feet, Golf India Kilo.
Golf India Kilo, call turning right.
Wilco, Golf India Kilo.
Following the simulated failure of an engine, you would put out a practice pan call. The following is an example of the sort of call you would make. As this call is normally made to the instructor, no air traffic response is included.
Practice pan, practice pan, practice pan. Georgetown Tower, Golf Echo Golf India Kilo, PA32, simulated engine failure, low-level visual circuit to land, 2 persons on board.
We will assume that you have completed the practice engine failure drill successfully and that you continue your climb to 2,000 feet before turning right.
Turning right, tree 55, climbing to 3,000 feet, Golf India Kilo.
Golf India Kilo, call Georgetown approach 120.625.
Georgetown approach 120.625, Golf India Kilo.
You are still in controlled airspace as you climb out, so you are expecting to be under radar control when you change to Georgetown approach.
Georgetown approach, Golf Echo Golf India Kilo, heading 355, climbing to 3,000 feet.
Golf India Kilo, Georgetown approach, change squawk to 5416.
5416, Golf India Kilo.
Golf India Kilo identified, radar control, continue climb to flight level 50.
Radar control, continue climb to flight level 50, Golf India Kilo.
In this scene, as there is no other conflicting traffic and you are clear of controlled airspace, the controller tells you to go direct to Stephenville. You remain under radar control until you change frequency.
Golf India Kilo, maintaining flight level 50.
Golf India Kilo, you are now clear of controlled airspace, cleared to Stephenville direct, call when changing frequency.
Turning on to 015, Wilco, Golf India Kilo. Golf India Kilo, changing to Stephenville approach, 131.6.
Golf India Kilo, radar service terminated, squawk 7000.
Radar service terminated, squawk 7000, Golf India Kilo.
In this scene, we will assume that during your flight planning back at Walden, you noticed a NOTAM saying that the Stephenville ATIS was off the air. You know, therefore, that you will have to request the weather and airfield information before you commence your NDB approach. However, the initial priority is to establish contact with Stephenville and get clearance to proceed to the Sierra Victor India beacon.
Stephenville approach, Golf Echo Golf India Kilo.
Golf Echo Golf India Kilo, Stephenville approach. Pass your message.
Golf Echo Golf India Kilo, PA32 from Walden, on a practice diversion to Stephenville. 15 miles southwest of Stephenville, heading 015, flight level 50. Request join for 1 hold and NDB approach. Request radar information service.
Golf India Kilo, squawk 461
Squawk 461 Golf India Kilo.
Golf India Kilo, radar identified 1 tree miles south-southwest of Stephenville, radar information service. What is your estimate for the Sierra Victor India?
Radar information service, estimate Sierra Victor India 1120, Golf India Kilo.
Golf India Kilo, maintain flight level 50. You are cleared to the Sierra Victor India. Call entering the hold.
Maintain flight level 50, Wilco, Golf India Kilo.
You now have clearance to the Sierra Victor India, so you can request the weather.
Golf India Kilo, request Stephenville weather.
Golf India Kilo, Stephenville 1100 weather. Cloud scattered 1,000 feet, broken 1,500 feet, visibility 7 kilometers, nil weather, all aids serviceable, runway 26, QNH 1006.
Runway 26, QNH 1006, Golf India Kilo.
Golf India Kilo, set QNH 1006, descend to altitude 3,000 feet.
Set QNH 1006, descend to altitude 3,000 feet, Golf India Kilo. Golf India Kilo, entering the hold 3,000 feet, QNH 1006.
Golf India Kilo, roger. What are your intentions after this approach?
Go around into the visual circuit to land, Golf India Kilo.
Golf India Kilo, roger.
We will assume that you carry out 2 holds. Note that if you are carrying out holds for training purposes, you should notify the controller at the start of the final hold that you would like to carry out the NDB procedure.
Golf India Kilo, on completion of this hold, request commence procedure.
Golf India Kilo, you are cleared for the procedure runway 26, call beacon outbound.
Cleared for the procedure, runway 26, Wilco, Golf India Kilo. Golf India Kilo, beacon outbound.
Golf India Kilo, descend with the procedure, call base turn complete, QNH 1006.
QNH 1006, Wilco, Golf India Kilo. Golf India Kilo, base turn complete.
Golf India Kilo, report airfield in sight.
Wilco, Golf India Kilo. Golf India Kilo, airfield in sight.
Golf India Kilo, roger. Contact tower 119.6.
Tower 119.6, Golf India Kilo.
In a typical instrument rating profile, you would expect to carry out an asymmetric go-around from your asymmetric committal altitude. You would then perform a circling approach to land. At Stephenville, as the final approach track for the NDB is in line with the active runway, the circling approach is the same as a visual circuit, except that it would be carried out at the published circling altitude.
Stephenville Tower, Golf, Echo Golf, India Kilo, 2 miles final.
Golf India Kilo, Stephenville Tower. Call going round. Visual circuit is clear.
Call going around, Golf India Kilo. Golf India Kilo, going around.
Golf India Kilo, call downwind.
Wilco, Golf India Kilo. Golf India Kilo, downwind to land.
Golf India Kilo, call final.
Wilco, Golf India Kilo. Golf India Kilo, final.
Golf India Kilo. Clear to land runway 26, wind 26510 knots.
Clear to land, runway 26, Golf India Kilo.
The scenario ends with you on the runway at Stephenville.
Golf India Kilo, vacate next left.
Vacate next left, Golf India Kilo.